Here we are, folks. Barry and Company, all the way from Orangeville, Grand Valley, right?
Yep.
And what do you guys think of the trails out here?
Very good. Very good.
Yeah?
Terrific trail.
We had a great time. The cottage was beautiful. We enjoyed it.
The lake's nice.
The lake, yeah?
We got out fishing last night a little bit.
Yeah. All right. And you...
Buggy fell down twice.
And you did what, about 80K yesterday?
84.5.
Yeah, so you got a little bit of the territory in.
Yeah, about 5 hours of running.
Yeah.
Did a nice circle all the way back to the camp here. Perfect.
So you just scratched the surface, basically.
Yeah, basically.
All right.
Got to come back to get some more.
Well, thank you very much for coming up, and I'll post this on our site if you don't mind.
Don't mind.
Okay, here we go. Thank you.